Hello there, friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It is Thursday, so that means it is Mail Day Thursday. If you're new to my channel, Mail Day Thursday is something I started in 2022 to remind myself to mail out cards and to encourage all of you to mail one card each week. In the description box below, I have a form linked if you would like to be considered to receive a card. It's easy, just go and fill out. I just need your address information. Please make sure that you're adding the state and the zip code. I'd have a couple people that haven't done that, so I've looked it up and I've crossed my fingers that they've received the card. But I would love to be able to send out more cards. I think I have sent a card to everyone that I have got a name for so far. So that's awesome. All right, let's get on to the cards that I will be mailing out this week. I will be mailing out this Just One More Page card, and that image is a Craft and Kimmy image. Just simply decorated on the inside. We'll be sending this You're Too Cute. The stamp is from the greeting form. Such pretty paper. Some pearls there. And there's the inside. And this is an easel card. So it'll stay like that when it's on like a surface. And it says, "Hello again, my amazing friend." It's got some shimmer on the bow there. And this is a polka doodles image. But yeah, super fun to get those easel cards. Next up, I have another interactive card. It says Big Hugs. And you move this, and the frog and the girl go in for a hug. So that's super fun. And that is the die that does the interaction, and the images are from TLC Designs. And then the last card that I'll be mailing out this week is Glitter is My Favorite Color. And it is very, very sparkly. And that is a Craft and Kimmy stamp. Super fun. I also was very fortunate this week and received several cards. I got this very pretty one, Just a Note, from Jan, who I was in a swap group for a while. And then we all kind of got busy, so we stopped doing the swap group. But every once in a while, we still send out some cards. And it was so nice to hear from her, and she brightened my day with that pretty card. I also got this beautiful card from Bonnie, and she is a regular participant in my challenge group. There's a stamp for that. And I always love her cards. They always have so many like added feature or like added touches that just make them stand out. A lot of times she says that they're just things that were like on her desk or whatever, but like these flowers, and I think they must have been embossed. They're like shiny, and all these die cuts, and then the background, and I don't know, I just love it. And there's the inside. Very, very pretty card there. Next up, I got a card from my friend Jan. We've been online crafty friends for quite a while, and I thought this was super duper cute. Such fun paper, and I really like this die cut. It has like an arrow and be mine, and then that cute mouse image. And then last but certainly not least, I got this pretty card. It's such a shimmery cardstock. It's beautiful. From Karen. She recently started her own YouTube channel. Yay! I do have it linked in my community tab if you wanted to check it out. But so pretty, and I appreciate it so much. So there is my cards that I will be sending out and the cards that I received. Again, fill out my form below because I would love to be able to send more people cards and get to know some new crafty friends. Hope that you will go and send one card out this week. And until my next video, I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you.